On my nature walk today, I saw that interesting specimen laying on the ground. I have no idea what it is. Anyone know what that is? Looks like a pinkish yellow chayote with some membrane inside and some jet black seeds of some kind. I'm very tempted to go plant it in my backyard. So anyway, I thought this would be a great subject for a patiently rendered, detail-oriented painting in watercolor. This direct watercolor I did not draw first, just because that's the way I like to do it. Anyway, I started actually with the shadow, and then that gave me the parameters where I want to have the painting of the object, and so just painstakingly attempting to depict each little detail with a near color value match, if not a color match. Usually my color match is miles away, and I think this is no exception. And then at this point I thought, well, let me just try to cover up all those white areas that still have no paint on the paper. And I did leave a couple just for dramatic effect, but anyway, it looks kind of like Godzilla's eye. Oh well, whatever. It's a very organic delight, and a happily rendered botanical illustration type painting. Art fun.